So guys, I'm going to be using this orange and 2 lime, and this of course, and 3 apples, 2 clementine, and 5 apples. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel like 4 without, then this one I'm going to peel it. Let's get to it. First, I'm going to be washing the fruits because it's very important to wash your fruit, even if you are not blending it with the peels. But it's important to wash it before you use it, because you don't know the hands that must have touched it. And so I wash all the fruits I'm using. I wash them before using them. So here, the apple, clementine. What I did, I peeled some lime. I used some with the peels. I peeled some clementine. I used some with the peels. I peeled some orange. I used some with the peel. This is how I decided to do it. So if you don't know about it, you can just browse it. It's very nice. So I peeled the ginger, and now I'm going to be mashing this fruit. The reason why I'm doing it this way is just for the fruit to get soft, so it will be very easy to take out. So after doing it, I will just cut it and start pressing it. You see the way I just press it now? This is how. So time to extract the juice together. After extracting all the juice like this, so I put them in one bowl, so I mix everything before I start dishing it. Guys, I take this in the morning and I am just so super, and I'm good to go, and I really love it. So if you are that kind of person who don't like to eat salad and you don't like to eat fruit, I think the best way for you to do is to do this juice, to put them together. Do it yourself, because at times these things we buy, not that it's not good, but not like the things that you do yourself and you know how you do it and you feel more comfortable drinking them. So guys, and another thing is, I'm going to be making a review on the juice extractor, because this is my juice extractor I'm using. It is super nice, but there is something I really don't like about this juice is 2 things. One, that I don't have to cover it, and when you finish extracting the juice, you have to just open that place and everything will pour out. So that is why you see the juice goes to the floor at time. And another thing is, it's not taking it out. Apart from that, this juice extractor I'm using is perfect. Like when you extract your juice, you feel like it feels like the one you buy from the supermarket. You don't get anything like something is entering inside. It's so nice. It extracts your juice very well. So, but the reason why there is but is because of the way the juice is coming out, and where also the other ones is staying. I will buy another one soon. The other one I want to buy now is the one that will be extracting the juice one side. I'll be taking the other one out from the other side. So I'm saying this in case you want to buy. I think that kind of juice is a good idea for you to buy that kind of machine. But if you are not making more juice, maybe you're making just for yourself and your husband, this one is perfect for you to get this type. But because I'm making for a lot of people, I have to make the juice stop, take out the dirty one, and clean the juice extractor again and restart it again. Guys, I really don't like it. That is the reason why I don't like it. Apart from that, it's so perfect. Whatever I just put there, it give it to me so nice. So guys, I decided to just share it with you guys in case you want to buy, so you know the one to go for. And another thing is, this is my second juice extractor I've gotten. So one I got before, it was bigger, but if that machine extract juice for you, you'll be drinking as if you just blend the juice, like as if you made smoothie. So it wasn't extracting it well, but it was One good thing about that machine was when it's extracting, giving you your juice from one side and it's taking the other one out from the other side. So be careful when you are buying. Not all this juice extractor really extracts your juice very well, so be sure to buy a nice one. Thank you so much, guys. If this is the first time I'm coming across our channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and tell us what you think about this video in the comment section, and we'll reply to every comment we see. And another thing, to our returning subscriber, thank you so much. We do appreciate you all for your support. May God bless you all, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.